Hello everyone, welcome to Educate 247. This is the second lecture on government schemes MCQ revision series, and the topic for today is PM Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan. These series will help you for your upcoming RBI Grade B examination 2021. Let's get started. Okay. The first question is, from which state was the Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan flagged off? The options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Jharkhand. So the answer to this question is B. Bihar. This Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan is started from the village Telihar in the Bihar state. And this Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan, it aims to empower and provide livelihood opportunities in area of villages witnessing large number of migrant workers affected by the devastated COVID-19. It is a rural public works scheme, and this scheme will provide livelihood opportunities to the returning workers and the rural citizens. So which state did it begin from? It has started from the state of Bihar. Next question is, how many work areas have been identified under the Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan? So as this is aims to provide employment opportunities and also facilities in the rural areas of public works, there are certain number of works which have been identified. Let us see the options. Is it 25? Is it 15? Is it 5? Or is it 10? So the answer to this question is 25. 25 work areas have been identified for employment in these villages and development of various public needs, okay, which includes Panchayat Bhavan, community toilets, rural mandis, rural roads and infrastructure, cattle shed. This scheme also aims to provide cheap internet facilities. Remember, it also aims to provide cheap internet facilities. So laying of optic fiber cables is also a provision of this Abhiyaan. So first question, we saw that it is started from the state of Bihar and it is for employment opportunities and development of public works. So how many public works in this scheme includes? It includes 25 areas of work and various works which are, what are the facilities which are required, like roads, mandis, Anganwadi centers, Panchayat bhavans and cattle sheds, and also providing internet and laying down of optical fiber for this is a part of this Abhiyaan. Educate 247 is offering various courses on RBI Grade B exam. RBI Grade B comprehensive course, FM mentorship course, and many other courses to suit your needs. In these courses, we will be providing you with video lectures, current affairs, practice questions, and multiple choice questions. To view all these courses, visit our website www.educate247.com. Next question is, which of the following is the component of this scheme? So first we saw which state it began. Next we saw how many work mode areas are there. Now we will see what are the various objectives or components of this Abhiyaan. So it will be a mission mode for 125 days. Total of 116 districts across 6 states. And option 3, the total outlay of the scheme is 50,000 crore. Options are A, 1 and 2, B, 2 and 3, C, 1, or D is 1, 2 and 3. So the answer to this question is D. That is, it will be on a mission mode for 120 days. It will cover 116 districts, okay, across 6 states. Now which are those 6 states? We will have a look. And the total outlay is 50,000 crores. Now these 6 states are, I'll tell you, UP, then Bihar. You have to remember these states: UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, and Odisha. So these 6 states which have, in these 6 states, 116 districts have been selected across these 6 states. And also these 116 districts include 27 aspirational districts. The chosen districts include 27 aspirational districts and a total of 116 districts across 6 states. Which state did it begin? Bihar. And how many states are included in this scheme? 6 states. How many districts will be covered? 116 districts, in which there are even 27 aspirational districts. And what is the total outlay of this scheme? 50,000 crore. Next question. Which is the nodal agency for this campaign? Is it Ministry of Rural Development? Is it Ministry of Mines, Ministry of New and Renewable, or is it Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation? So the answer to this question, the nodal agency for the scheme is Ministry of Rural Development. Okay, then this scheme will be coordinated by the efforts of different 12 types of ministries, which include rural development, panchayati raj, road and transport, mines, drinking water, sanitation, environment, railways, petroleum and natural gas, and new and renewable energy, border roads. So the main nodal agency is rural development. Okay, rural development is the main nodal agency, and the work will be coordinated among 12 other ministries. Okay, and this scheme, when it will be implemented, it will be able to give jobs to the people and utilize the strength of the skill, and it will enable government to convert crisis into an opportunity. Also, this scheme, since it aims to provide internet connectivity and laying off of optic fiber cables to increase the speed in the villages, so that children in the villages are able to study and learn. So we saw all the parts of this scheme, like where it started from, how many states, what are the components of the scheme, which are the states, and which are the nodal agency to implement this scheme. These are the probable questions which the exam will ask. Thank you and happy learning.